Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to identify firewall with Nmap. It means with the help of Nmap tool, how you can find out whether the remote machine has firewall enabled or disabled. First of all, let's go to the Windows machine and check the firewall here. So Windows plus R key and type firewall.cpl. Firewall.cpl. Okay. Open your firewall and you can see here, and right now the firewall is on. Okay, the firewall is enabled. Now I enabled a service here. Suppose you can you can check the IP address of your Windows machine, like IP config. Okay, so once you enable the firewall, what you see here, the IP address of this machine is 192.168.29.227. 227 is the IP address of this Windows machine. Now you can enable any services here using everything software. I have enabled, for testing purpose, I have enabled FTP and HTTP server on this machine. So everything software, I have already made a video on everything software. If you are new to this software, I will give the video link in the I button. Okay, you can go and watch there. Now go to tools, go to options. You can see I have enabled FTP server and HTTP server here. Both are enabled. Now, right now the firewall is in enable mode. Do the nmap command. So I will type nmap sudo nmap. Let me zoom it for you. Okay, so let me zoom it for you. Sudo nmap -s and a, and then the IP address of the Windows machine, which is 192.168.29.227. Now since the port 21 is open, so I will type -p port number 21 and then the password for Kali Linux machine. What you see here, you can see port 21, you can see the state here. It is telling that it is filtered. Okay, so whenever it's showing filtered, it means that the remote machine has firewall enabled. Okay, now let's go to Windows again, and this time I am going to disable the firewall. So I turn off the firewall, click on OK, and now I run the same command. After disabling the firewall, you see what is the result. So what you see, before, when the firewall is enabled, it was showing filtered. Now when the firewall has been disabled, it's showing unfiltered. Okay, so using this technique, you can identify remotely whether an IP address or any machine, that machine has firewall enabled or disabled. When the firewall is enabled, the output will show the filtered state, and when the firewall is disabled, it will show you unfiltered. I hope you guys understand, but if you have any doubt, you can ask me through the comment section. Thank you for watching.